that's home. That's sort of like the documents. And next is videos. And here that's with the login thing, you see where this isn't like a thumbnail there. I'll click on this one. This one's available to see all the time. These videos are hosted by YouTube, and all you YouTubers know you can make that full screen by clicking on that. And these are some old videos taken by Virgil Jones. He's a friend of my mom back in the mid-50s, and it's at least 10 of these that go about 5 minutes each, with mainly family members in the video. So those are interesting to watch. Here they're going to Kenton. Let's see if I can speed that up. And yeah, so there's my mom, Annie Fisher, Aunt Joselie, and I guess they're stopping at a rest stop. And here's a group photo with Papa Will. Yeah, I think that's Cousin T, and Annie Fisher, and Aunt Lou. So a lot of these are just interesting to watch. The next item is recordings, and of course none of these recordings will work because I'm recording this tutorial now, but what I tried to do was in my previous family tree program, it had a place for notes, so I put in little notes about people. And then in this version, what I did was I recorded it so that you know, if you know, some people go more with sound than text, so I thought that'd be a good way to have people share their memories. Is, you know, you don't need to write something out. You know, eventually I can find a way where you can call a number and record it on voicemail, and then I can get a file to add to these files. So if you said, oh, you know, I want to say something about James Brown, you know, or a story I heard about him or whatever, I can add that to that file so that we'll have it all together. The next item is albums. I haven't done anything with that yet. I think that's a way of collecting things together, and when I start talking about people, it sort of makes sense what I'm talking about, how eventually you go to a person's name and then everything that they're attached to in this website is together, and I think an album is a way of making that easy to work with. So the next one is about this project, and that just is my way of saying how and what I did to get to this point. And then there's a privacy policy here, and I take a look at that. And then places that list all the cities that are in here. And then notes is what was written down, but it's also in recordings, but not necessarily. The dates and anniversaries, you know, you can look up different months and whatnot. And then the reports, you know, there's so much data in here, and there's so many things wrong with it. These reports is a way for me over time to go back and see, you know, what really it doesn't look right. And sources, haven't done anything with that. This call for help, I'm going to change that to sharing, and then that's going to be some tips on how you can help share your memories about your loved ones. And statistics, give some information about what's in the people database. And this bookmarks, you saw that on all the pages we went to, there's a way of bookmarking it, and this is where you would go to go back to your favorite spots. This contact us is a way to email us. And the very last thing is register for